Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your seed phrase or your private key within the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you must proceed forward through your social accounts or by using your seed phrase. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to export your private key or your seed phrase, just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on the pen icon alongside your wallet, of which you would like to export your private key or your seed phrase. And now you will see the Show Private Key as well as the Show Secret Recovery Phrase option. You can tap on each one of these in order to reveal your secret phrase or your private key. This will show you a warning, letting you know that you are the only person who is supposed to have access to these keys. After acknowledging that you are the only one that is viewing, you can tap on the Continue button. And now once again, after final confirmation, you will be shown your recovery phrase. Within this screen, you will have the Copy button, which you can use in order to copy your private key or your recovery phrase to your clipboard. After doing so, you can simply paste it in within your notes or any other note-taking application so that you can access it later in the future. And there you have it. That is how you can export your recovery phrase or your private key on the Phantom Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.